everybody, if you don't know how to use the S-Bahn train system in Germany, this video is going to show you how to buy your tickets, how to navigate through the stations, and how to use Google Maps to make your journey super easy. Hi everybody, okay, so I'm at Munich airport and now I'm going to show you how to use the train, the S-Bahn, to get to Munich city center. So, let me show you how. Let's go! Okay, the first thing you have to look for is the S. Okay, that will tell you that it's the S-Bahn. So it doesn't matter where you are in the station, you just look for the signage and find your way there. Sometimes it's below ground, sometimes it's above ground. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be, you know, the subway. From here on, it might be a really good idea to familiarize yourself with the German names of all the stops. You can use Google Maps for that. Make sure you do your research, because from here on it can get a little bit confusing if you don't know what your stop is called. Okay, so this is what the ticket station looks like. It's all touch screen, it's very simple to use. Here you can change your language. Alright, so you have multiple choices: single tickets, day tickets, weekly and monthly tickets. Okay, depends on what your journey is. Now, a day ticket allows you to get on and off on anything that you want for the entire day, but it's also valid until 6 a.m. the next morning. So for me, this is what I'm buying today. Okay, right, airport to city day ticket. Yeah. Okay, for one person, come on, pay by card. It's 16 euros, okay, and it's in here. I've disabled the tap function on my card. Okay, just enter my PIN. Right. And the ticket should dispense right over there. Okay, payment successful. Remove card. Right. Yeah, it's flashing so you can see you have a ticket. Right, so here's my day pass. And then now tomorrow morning I can still use this for one more trip before 6 a.m. to get where I want to be. And that's how to use the ticket stations. Okay, this is what you're looking for. You will see there it says Hauptbahnhof, the central station. That is the main station in Munich, or you can get off at the city center. If you've purchased what I have done, the all-day pass, then it's not a problem. You can actually get off at both. But it shows you there what your train number is. So we're looking for the S8, okay? And I believe it's arriving again in 17 minutes. And there you see your commute time. So it's going to take about 41 minutes for us to commute from the airport to Munich. Okay, so we'll just wait and then I'll record the whole trip for you. Okay, hang on a second, I actually learned something. So you can also take this one. Look, it's going to the same place. So let's jump on this one. These screens are very precise to show you exactly where you are, what your next station is, what connections are available, buses, trains. So you just look at it, it's a station all over. It's really simple to use the S-Bahn. And when you open up Google Maps and you put in your destination and you click on directions, train, it shows you that you're actually on the train and how you're moving. There we can see that the next stop where we want to get off. And here we are at the central station. Look out for the next video where I'll do a quick walkthrough for you to see what you're walking into once you get to Central Station, or Bahnhof, however that's pronounced.